Just a quick word about the exercise files I'll be using. If you are a premium member of the lynda.com online training library, or if you're watching this tutorial on a disk, you have access to the exercise files used throughout this title. In the exercise files folder, I've collected some assets for you to use during our tour of building dynamic websites with Dreamweaver CS5 and PHP. They include graphic files, an SQL script to create a sample database, and starting web page files for use in the sample websites that I'll be creating. I've copied the folder to my desktop, but you can put it wherever you want. To get started with the video series, you'll need to follow the instructions in Chapter 1, where I describe how to install the server software you'll need, WAMP Server for Windows or MAMP for Mac OS X. From that point forward, you can choose to work through the entire video series from start to finish. Or, if you'd like to jump in at a particular chapter, you can use the starter files for that chapter. In some chapters, such as Chapter 2, I have an entire new version of a site for each exercise. In other chapters, such as those working with databases, I've created a single copy of the website that you'll use throughout the chapter. For these chapters especially, I recommend always watching the first video of the chapter, since I frequently give instructions for configuring the new version of the site before launching into the chapter's individual exercises. If you don't have access to the exercise files, you can still follow along the instructions and demonstrations on screen, and use any files you want as you create your own dynamic website.